Hello, everyone, and welcome to Daily Life English Podcast. This is the podcast where you can improve your English by listening to long, natural conversations about everyday life.
That's right, Emma. We talk about real situations, real feelings, and real daily routines using simple and clear English.
This podcast is perfect for beginners and intermediate learners. You can listen while walking, cooking, relaxing, or before sleeping.
Today's episode is very special because it's a super long conversation about daily life from morning until bedtime.
We'll talk about habits, work, food, family, free time, problems, feelings, and small talk.
So don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just relax and enjoy listening.
All right, let's start our day.
Waking up and morning feelings. Emma, let me ask you something. Are you a morning person?
Honestly, no. I love sleeping, and waking up early is difficult for me.
Same here. When my alarm rings, I usually want to sleep for 5 more minutes.
Me too. Sometimes I press the snooze button many times.
What time do you usually wake up on weekdays?
Around 6 a.m. If I wake up later than that, I feel rushed.
That's true. Waking up early gives us more time to prepare.
Yes, but on weekends, I wake up much later.
Of course, weekends are for resting.
Morning routine in detail. After waking up, the first thing I do is stretch my body.
That's a good habit. I usually check my phone first.
What do you check on your phone?
Messages, social media, news, and sometimes emails.
I try not to use my phone too much in the morning, but it's hard.
Yes, phones are addictive.
After that, I brush my teeth, wash my face, and take a shower.
Do you take long showers?
Not really. About 10 minutes.
I take longer showers when I'm tired or stressed.
Showers can be very relaxing. Breakfast and morning talk. Let's talk about breakfast. Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I try to. I feel tired if I skip breakfast.
Same here. What do you usually eat?
Something simple: bread, eggs, fruit, or cereal.
I always drink coffee in the morning.
I love coffee too, but I try not to drink too much.
Do you eat alone or with family?
Usually alone because everyone has a different schedule.
That's common in busy life. Commuting and daily thoughts. How do you usually go to work?
I take public transportation. It's cheaper and better for the environment.
What do you do during your commute?
I listen to music, podcasts, or just look out the window.
Do you ever think deeply about life during your commute?
Yes, all the time. I think about goals, plans, and sometimes worries.
Me too. Quiet moments help us think.
Starting work. When I arrive at work, I say hello to my coworkers.
That's important. A simple good morning makes the day better.
Then I turn on my computer and check emails.
Do you plan your tasks for the day?
Yes, I make a to-do list.
That helps with productivity, meetings, and communication. Do you have meetings often?
Yes, especially on Mondays.
What do you usually talk about in meetings?
Projects, deadlines, problems, and solutions.
Do you feel nervous speaking in meetings?
Sometimes, especially when speaking English.
Practice helps build confidence.
Break time and small talk. During break time, we talk about simple things.
Like weather, food, or weekend plans.
Exactly. Small talk is useful in daily life.
It helps us connect with others.
Lunchtime and food talk. Lunch is my favorite part of the workday.
Mine too. It's time to relax.
Do you prefer home-cooked food or restaurant food?
Home-cooked food. It's healthier.
I agree. Also, it saves money.
What do you usually talk about during lunch?
Life, work, family, and sometimes funny stories. Afternoon energy drop. After lunch, I feel sleepy.
That's very normal.
I try to drink water and move around.
Sometimes I take a short walk.
That helps a lot. Finishing work. How do you feel at the end of the workday?
Tired, but relieved.
Do you review what you did during the day?
Yes, it helps me prepare for tomorrow.
Evening life. When you get home, what's the first thing you do?
I change clothes and wash my hands.
Then dinner?
Yes, sometimes I cook, sometimes I order food.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, especially when I'm not in a hurry.
Relaxing time. How do you relax in the evening?
Watching TV, listening to music, or reading.
Do you use your phone a lot at night?
Too much. I'm trying to reduce screen time.
That's a good goal. Night routine and reflection. Before sleeping, I think about my day.
Do you think about good things or problems?
Both, but I try to focus on positive things.
That helps with mental health.
What time do you sleep?
Around 10:30 p.m.
Good sleep is very important.
And that brings us to the end of our very long daily life conversation.
We talked about morning routines, work life, food, free time, and night habits.
You can listen again and again to improve your English naturally.
Try repeating sentences and using them in your daily conversations.
Thank you so much for listening to Daily Life English Podcast.